I think I'm recording. Okay.
You're recording?
Yeah, recording.
Okay.
Zoomed in.
Taking off from the right. Am I too high?
Just fly.
Okay. Now, I forgot to announce this. This is CG at 170. On the runway.
Okay, landing in the grass.
Gotta toss momentum, couldn't do it. We'll do that one more time. Alright, I'm gonna try that toss one more time. I couldn't duplicate it this time with Sukhoi. There you go. Fly from the right.
He's on the runway still.
Clear?
There you go. That's what they were doing at Max.
Oh, I gotta land. Landing from the right. You want to move over to my right?
Sure.
Okay.
I just want to stay out of your view.